Say Iron Man.
Iron Man!
What does Iron Man say, Shivang?
Like this.
Iron Man. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, like that, yeah.
What does he say?
Man.
Iron Man!
Yeah.
And you get to take the bad guy.
Yes. You are the War Machine?
No.
Iron Man. I am the War Machine.
I'm not War Machine.
Say I am Iron Man.
Iron Man! Iron Man!
Hmm. You like your costume?
Well, it's kind of pretty.
Kind of pretty?
Come back. Do like this.
Yes. You're a strong Iron
One
Man
hand,
boy.
not two hands. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
I'm going to tell you, bad guy.
Hmm.
You are the bad guy.
I'm not an Iron Man.
Is Iron Man a good guy?
No, he's mad to take the bad guy.
No. What did you do in preschool today with this costume?
What did Daniel wear? Which?
Which? Oh.
Which is cat.
Who else got the same costume today?
Nico.
Nico got the same costume?
No, Nico.
No. Okay, Nico?
Yeah. No, his name is Nico Parade.
Oh, alright.
Does he have a mask?
Yep.
Where is your mask then?
I Pranava, something.
He forgot.
I forgot. What about Parker? What did he wear?
Paco not here.
Parker not there. What about Vera and Arun?
He's not here.
He's not here too? Oh.
Iron Man.
Shivang, why are we in a hotel
Come
room
that
today,
side.
Shivang?
Come that side.
Why are we in a hotel room today?
Huh?
Why are we in a hotel room?
Hey, no power.
The power
What happened to the power?
went off.
Why?
Got Aaron stormed it.
Storm day?
Yeah.
What happened on the storm day this time?
It's rainy.
Rainy?
See this
No,
corner?
snowstorm.
Oh, it's in a snowstorm again? This is what happened? That's why we went off? See, the trees are falling down.
And there's a snow.
There is snow. Yeah, that's why. That's why mommy and dada got you a hotel and you're in the hotel now. Do you like the hotel room?
Well, I guess.
Yeah?
I guess.
I guess.
I guess so.
Iron Man, yeah.
Okay. Alright, Shivang, say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Do you like Happy Halloween?
What's your phone, Jada?
Huh?
On your phone.
Cell phone?
Your phone.
Say happy Halloween.
That's my phone, yeah.
I want your phone.
What is my phone?
I want your phone.
My phone?
Yeah.
Whatever it is, the same phone, Shivang. I and Dada has the same phone. Okay? Say Happy Halloween. Bye.
Bye.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Bye.